before I even had teeth, and the women who tended the nursery would take the boiled peanuts out of the shell and mush them with their fingers and put them into my mouth. So even before I was able to chew them myself, I've been eating boiled peanuts. So we are Boiled Pnuts Y'all, and we've been selling boiled peanuts for about 6.5 years. When COVID hit, we had a lot of our markets and festivals shut down, and we pivoted to internet delivery. So we set up our website, and now people can order boiled peanuts to be delivered fresh to their door every other week in Florence and Columbia.
When Ear and I first started boiling peanuts, I knew that I could take my peanuts to her and she would be a good source of quality control because she'd been eating them since she was a baby. We get the dry raw peanuts, generally from the state farmers market. We go through bushels a week. Boiling peanuts is actually really interesting. A lot of people don't know the boiler's perspective. The actual guy boiling your boiled peanuts, like he's got to sit with a pot for like 24 hours. Keep the fire right, keep the water right, keep the salt right. It's kind of like a ritual of sorts. It's like a big cauldron. And you get to just think whatever you want and make like all this like, oh, all these peanuts are gonna be like super awesome and make everybody happy. And you just boil that and you just think that and you just put that into the pot and then it happens. You got boiled peanuts.
The main reason why boiled peanuts are a southern thing, or specifically a South Carolina thing, is that they were boiled fresh in the locations that they were grown. So originally people started growing the peanuts and boiling them kind of at the end of the season. And so that's why you will only find them in states that grow peanuts. So we noticed that a lot of people that love boiled peanuts seem to come from all walks of life. And we started thinking about why is that? And we kind of think that it sounds kind of funny, but that boiled peanuts really feed the soul. They do that in a lot of different ways. They are really nourishing food, and it's really different than a lot of foods that we get nowadays. It's nice to eat this unprocessed, slow-cooked food. It's really soul-satisfying. There's also a really, unique thing about eating boiled peanuts, which is that you have to slow down when you eat them. People really enjoy being in the moment of eating the boiled peanut, which is really different than a lot of other snacks. It's more than a snack, it's an experience. Time for boiled peanuts, y'all!